Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. So in today's video, I'm just going to be creating this look right here, y'all. It is Pride Month, so, you know, your girl had to do a makeup look just because. So this is what I got. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you know when I post my next video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because how else will you know exactly when I post my next video? So let's hop right on into it. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, as y'all can see. Done. First things first, hey y'all, what is up? How are y'all doing? What's going on? You know, let me know what you're doing down in the comments. How are you staying busy? Are you back to work? What's going on? Let me know. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you know when I post my next video. And we're gonna get into this look, y'all. I was gonna record earlier, but I had to clean my brushes. See y'all, they clean. But if y'all want to see, or if you want to know how I clean my makeup brushes, just let me know down in the comments and I'll record that video for y'all as well. I got my, this ain't about my makeup brushes. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to do a video of me cleaning my makeup brushes so y'all see how I get them clean. That's my daughter, y'all. But let's get into this look. I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes as well. For my eyebrows, I use the, y'all should know by now, the Anastasia. I really just want to show you all how I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the color Ebony.
Pride Month, and so I really hope y'all enjoy this video. I will be sure to drop all of the products that I use to create this look down in the description box below, so don't worry about that. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all at the end of this video. Actually, y'all, real quick, I just want to say that with these colors here, I did make sure that I blended each color into the previous color that I used, and you'll see me dip back into the different colors so that I can blend it out really well. So that's one of the things that I want you guys to look at in this video. It's not really a tutorial. It is really just for you guys to see how I created this look, and you know, I enjoyed creating this look, so I really want to share it with you all here on this platform. So again, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos.
do this face real quick because y'all can see. Alright. I did use my Beauty Glaze Over the Rainbow palette to get this eye look here. And I'm not done. So y'all just keep on watching. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you know when I post my next video. And again guys, thanks so much for watching, for the love and for the support. Bye guys, see y'all in my next video.